This must be one of the largest trees. Yeah, you can see. It has, what does it have? Just got this. Oh, you can see one of the largest fruits. And of course, avocado is good for your health. You can put it on bread. You can put it in dairy. You know, like the market for this thing will never go away. Never go away. Now look, come, look at this. Huh? Wow. No fruits, no fruits, no fruits, no fruits. No fruits. Let's see another one. Let's see. See, one thing with avocado farming, you just need water, good soil, manure. That is just enough, and good management. Like, you just don't need like to invest a lot. I think a tree goes for around 150 shillings, Kenya shillings. So you see, this one is the best. Oh my God, the view and the view. See, this is home. So our home, we have beautiful views. We have beautiful, excellent views. You see? See? And we are youth in agribusiness. Come on, you see? Man. Where was I? I was just strategizing on how I can just enter online. I took my time before I could decide to come online. So it took me years. I could have started this when I was, I think, 18 years, but there was no good phone with good cameras. Now you see, it's a small one, huh? Small ones. Doing good, doing excellently good, eh? See, excellently good. Let's see another one. What is this? It's another thing, huh? You see? This one? It's good fruit. It's good fruit. You can see? We are here. We farm. We are farmers, man. We farm. We are farmers. We farm. Here in MAKUENI County, we do farming. Actually, agriculture is the major economic, what do we say? Economic what? Economic value? What do we say? Economic, whatever is agriculture. So most farmers in MAKUENI definitely rely so much on agriculture for their daily living. So you can imagine, agriculture, many people have gone to school through agriculture. You can see, oh my God, let it rain. Let it rain, you see, yesterday night it rained, so let it rain today, so that our crops at least may have something, something to give to us. You see, this is just excellently great. You see, now in MAKUENI County, now this part of MAKUENI County is called Kaiti constituency. So the larger part of Kaiti constituency, a place called Ukia. We are in the remotest part. You can see there's a forest here called the Makuli Forest. Actually, one of the best managed forests. Now you can see, like, this place is just excellently managed. You can see, guys. Now, look at here. The fruits that you are eating in Nairobi probably zimetoka hapa. So most probably you are eating an avocado fruit from this farm. Most probably. Yeah. Oh, the statistics of of avocado farming. I think the global demand for this fruit. I think the global demand for this fruit. The global demand for this fruit, it's on the high, it's on the rise. Actually, I think Kenya, we are not managing to to supply to the global market, because I hear there's a lot of market that are opening up for our avocados. Our avocados are, the Kenyan avocados are gaining a lot of demand in the international market.